In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix auto rotate not working on Android phone. This is an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So as an auto rotate failure is usually caused by a software glitch or a sensor that might need recalibrating. So there's a few different things we can go ahead and do. Firstly, we want to toggle off the, the rotate method. So if auto rotate's not working, go ahead and switch to portrait. Make sure it's on auto rotate and then try it again. As a result, the icon should turn blue. Then if I open up an app and then I try and rotate, it should auto rotate just as you saw. Now, what I can also do is go over back to my control panel, long press the auto rotate icon, and I want to make sure it's for home screen, lock screen, and voice call screen as well. You can switch them all on and then go ahead and tap done. Once you go ahead and do that, and then as a result, it should definitely work a lot better too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.